Hello YouTube, Mountainous here, and here I am at Fugate Woods. This is another short Fugate Woods video, and this one just shows you a little bit that Fugate Woods has to offer. Now there's a lot of water out here where you could kayak for miles and come out here and do fishing. I'm on this little bridge right here, and across the bridge you got this grassy area here and a pavilion where you could eat and have lunch. Now I know that there's another huge pavilion here, but there's a lot of trails, and today I went on trail sections I haven't been on before. And I know this is a small forest, but there's a lot of different trails that link together so you can do some big loops. There's a fisherman's bobber in the tree, so I know people fish out here. So I hope this summer to be out here fishing, hiking, doing fun stuff, maybe mountain biking. In the fall I could come do some short horror films out here. But check it out, this place is pretty. I'll be putting up a few Fugate Wood videos this week. One on the bluebell wildflowers, and another one on Bigfoot teepee, and another one here that's just showing the water and some of the things it has to offer here and just telling you about it. If you haven't been to Fugate Woods, come check it out. Alright guys, until the next adventure, Mountainous out.